Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a new service that I deployed on my website, which is HTML to PDF. So here you will be able to convert your HTML file into PDF. This is the interface of the application. We have used Bootstrap for this. The link is given. You can try out this tool. It is given in the description. You can check out the full description to check all the links. So here we choose the file here, guys. So basically you can choose any file. So this is a HTML file that I selected, guys. So let me open this HTML file. This basically contains a very beautiful looking form here. It's a login form where you can fill out your details. So if I want to export it to PDF document, so what I select, I need to simply select this HTML document, and then if I click download PDF file, the PDF file will be downloaded. And now you will see that, guys, this HTML form alongside with the CSS styles as well. You can also see all the CSS, all the logo images have been successfully exported to the PDF document. The styling as well. You can also see the hyperlink as well. This is also accessible right here. So with the help of this, you can also take screenshot of any web page. Let's suppose I have this screenshot of google.com. So this is google.com basically screenshot. I downloaded as a HTML. So you can even export that also. So now this is downloaded. You will see google.com. So you can go to any website, just download the HTML part of it. So let's suppose if I go to this website, click info, and let's suppose if I want to save image as, and then we can save it as a, if you want to basically save this whole web page, web page we can save this web page, full web page like this, if you see that. And then we can basically select this web page that we downloaded, simply export it to PDF document. So this is really useful, guys. If you can design, you can see that how perfectly it is exported to multiple pages. So the web page was very large, so that's why it split it into multiple pages out there. So you can see that. So it's a very good application, guys, very good tool. You can try out. The link is given. And let me now show you how to build this tool inside Node.js Express. For this, guys, you need to have two libraries installed. So we will use a Python script for this. So we need a library called as wkhtml2pdf. This is available for Windows, Linux, Ubuntu as well. So this automatically converts the HTML to PDF content guide. It's a library, open source library. You can download this library on Windows as executable. So I've already done that. And after that, guys, we also need a library called as PDFKit. This library works on the basis of wkhtml to PDF. So it can be easily installed by using Python. So wherever you are building your application, let me now build out a new directory. So I will basically say make directory HTML to PDF project. I will cd into this directory, and here, guys, we will need to install this dependency, which is PDFKit. So after you download this, guys, we simply need to create package.json file for our Node.js project. So we can now basically install Express. We can also install Malter. That's all. These are two dependencies which are required. So just make index.js. So the code is very simple, guys. We need to initialize our Express app. So we need to start the Express server on basically, let's suppose 5000, and we need to use this two middlewares, and that's all, I think. And also we need to make the directory of public as static. So what we can do, we can basically make a public directory here and store a index.html file here. and also make a uploads directory where all the files will be stored. So we also need to Malta library as well. So this basically is required for uploading files. So we will basically have the storage object. So storage object of Malta, you can go to Stack Overflow, copy the storage object. So this basically, guys, storage generally involves where you will save your files. So right here we can do this. We will store it inside public/uploads directory we created, and then we will initialize, we will pass that storage to the storage that we define, and we will only upload a single file, guys. So that's why we say file. And here we will have a simple form. So this form, guys, will basically have input form here. This will go to HTML to PDF. Method where will be post. Encoding type is multi-part form data. Input type file, and we will only be accepting HTML or HTML files, and this is required. So then we have a submit button, and it will be export to PDF. So this is our form, guys, and basically now we need to make that post request HTML to PDF. So we will now be using that middleware HTML to PDF converter. We can also use it like here, request response HTML to converter. So if the file is successfully uploaded, we will get the path using request.file.path. So we are using this middleware of Malter. So if you just refresh your application, guys, and you need to start your application first of all, node-index.js. So this will start the application on localhost 5000. So if you basically upload a file, nothing will happen here. If you see, cannot read properties of path. Okay, I think we need to give it a name attribute here also, file. That's all. If you now refresh here, just select the file, click, and now you can see, guys, the file is successfully uploaded. If you check the directory, the file is uploaded, the HTML file, and after that, guys, what we need to do, we need to make a simple Python script here which will actually convert the HTML file to PDF file. So we will make it dynamic. We will say import system and import PDFKit. This is a library. Input file will get using system.argv. We will pass it as the argument, and output file also we will basically get from the user itself, argument 2, and it contains a method, guys, which is from file, and we will basically say input file comma output file, and we will say HTML to PDF converted. So you can install this library, which is very simple, by a pip command, pip install PDFKit. This is a library which we are using here. So after that, we now need to call this Python script from our Node.js application. So for that, we can basically say we can use a spawn module from our child process. So here in the post request, when the file is uploaded, what we can say, we can have the output file date.now output.pdf, and after that we will basically call the Python scripts with the spawn module, and here we will say Python and comma the arguments that we will say. So name of the Python script is app.py. This is the first argument. The second argument is the input file. So this is request.file.path and the output file. That's all. So now we are calling this. So this contains some methods, guys, which is we can listen for events. So when we got the data, when the script is completed, we will get the data right here in the callback function, and we can console log the data. And also when it's finished, guys, this will basically have the event on, or we can simply say python.on close. The close event, guys, basically means that your script is successful, and here we can download the output file. That's all. So this completes the application, guys. So if you refresh your application now, what will happen if I choose the click, and now your PDF file will be downloaded, guys. It will take some time. I think because here, if you see, if I run my Python script, Python HTML, sorry, app.py, if I move this Google file, in my system, guys, this file wkhtml to PDF is not installed. That's why it is not working. You can now see. So for this Python script to be run, I already told you, you need to have this wk HTML to PDF executable installed. In my system, it is not installed. So just go to this website, wkhtml to PDF, and install this library first, and then execute the script. So just go to download, and 64-bit, 32-bit, it is there for every operating system. So install this, and then your application will definitely work. This exe file is necessary. So you need to, after you basically have this, install this. So once it's installed here, you can basically rerun this Python script. So we can python app.py, google.html, output.pdf. So again, here, guys, you need to add this. This command will not work because if you just search for this wkhtml to PDF, so I think you need to add this path inside your environment variables. So if you're on Windows, you need to go to the global path variable, just make a new entry, paste the path. That's all. So if you now open command line, it will work. HTML to PDF. Now you can see that. So it is now working. So you need to restart the command line for this. So once again, do that. So just have to have these steps: python app.py, google.html, output.pdf. So now if I start this application, just wait. You can try out on your system as well, guys. Before you do that, you need to install it. You can try out the live demo. The link is given. You can try out my website link. In Ubuntu, there was no problem at all. I'm using VPS server. If you see in my here, I'm using so you can try out the demo, guys. The link is given, and also you can purchase the full source code of this application alongside with the executable as well. So you can purchase it Stripe or PayPal. All the links, payment links are there. So check out the full description. So this is actual application that converts your HTML to PDF. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video.